Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Ozsensei, the teacher, the preacher here. I'm back with another video, man. Hey, don't be square. I'm here. I'm there. I'm everywhere, but cause I'm almost at 1,000 subs, man. Hey, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Y'all know what that mean. Y'all know. Hey, a little giveaway coming soon. Real.
Fuck on her girl so she keep calling my phone. Telling this knock I can't stop for police. Heard he a shooter, I heard he was police.
Name, feel me, all that shit. But we're not here for that right now, okay? We're here for this big ass ball. Look, this shit right here. So yeah, basically, I'm doing an unboxing on Chicago's men's deluxe quad roller skates. I guess these are classic style Chicago roller skates straight from Walmart. Feel me? Not the cheapest you can find it, but it's medium well priced. You get what I'm saying? I got tired of the rental skates, guys. That shit. I was looking like a little lame ass nigga. I was really looking like a lame ass nigga with rental skates. Like, who wants to wear rental skates? Wear rental skates, bro. I don't understand. But yeah, we finna get into the video right now, and we finna get to unboxing that shit. Like, literally, like right now. Yeah, this video is way too turn the bell. Oh shit. Hey, I'm a real east side. Hold on. Real east side. Something. Real skater vibes. But you got to buy something. You gotta buy something. Y'all see that? Alright, man. So getting a little hot in here, as I can tell. Had roller skates. I just ordered these like last Thursday. They came Sunday, so it's pretty quick. This comes with good little wrapping. This is the box. It comes with a fire ass box, really. So it's kind of goddamn. Leathers, it say leathers lined, rink style boot with speed lace hooks, aluminum classic with jump bar and adjustable toe stop. That's what I need, that adjustable toe stop. Could probably spin like a little expert. The expert I would probably be 3 rated bands. Alright, so y'all. Y'all see these hoes. Yeah, ooh. Oh shit, it's not sitting on no plastic. I like this. Heavy duty. And it smells, I like the smell of new stuff, guys. Like, I really love the smell of new stuff. The toe stop, I see it. I'm gonna show y'all a little closer look at this. You know what I'm saying? It comes with a, I don't know what, I guess a zip tie to keep them together. Let me take both of them off for y'all real quick. You know, it comes with the little plastic. Take the plastic off. Take the little plastic. It's hot as hell. It's like hell in this bitch, man. But, yeah, let's see it. These go all the way up to like ankle height. All the way up to ankle height. You know what I'm saying? Real deal. These ain't no plastic wheels. These some. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. These some. Spend good money on it. So this is a size 10. Euro size 43. Yeah. So y'all see what's going on, guys? You know. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I know y'all don't see shoestrings right now. Don't get worried. put the shoestrings right here. Yeah. No cap. And it comes with some paper in the toes. You all look good, but I ain't gonna lie, like I'm real deal look like a boss out there, motherfucker. Chicago, hey, y'all put me on, man. Shout out to old block. Shout out to old block, man. Shout out to old block. No cap. Shout out to old block. No cap. You put me down. See what I'm saying? Skates go crazy. Feel me? Go crazy. I might change out the laces just for it to look a little different. You see what I'm saying? Just put a little drip on. Feel me? I'm gonna skate these. I'm gonna go crazy in these hoes a couple times. I ain't even gonna cut y'all. Like, damn, but these hoes so fire. These hoes so. I'm going. I'm gonna be able to do it. But I'm happy, y'all. But y'all already know. Chicago, thank you. I appreciate it. This is the box, guys. Yes. Everything I expected. It comes with, okay, whatever this is. Let me use that shit. Leg. I don't know what this is, but I'm pretty sure I need that shit. Manual. Who the fuck reads manuals? Like, I know. And a warning. So, yeah, guys. I guess apparently it was mail from National Sporting Goods, whatever. Overall, feel me? I like them. They. I gotta lace them up first though. I gotta let y'all know how they skate. But overall, these hoes look so good for the price. I paid around the $70 mark, $80, closer to $80 mark for these guys. And I gotta admit, these came on time. Good condition, good quality. I don't have no complaints about it. Y'all did y'all thing. Appreciate it, Chicago skates. Okay, y'all, so I know y'all wanted to see the skates. This is a closer look at them. Chicago style. I know they're on my bed, man, but I haven't put them on the floor yet, so like, just deal with it. Like, it's not gonna dirty up my shit because these are brand new. Like, these haven't even touched the ground yet. But yeah, see the box. Feel me? Gang. It's not too much. Thank you, Walmart. And this got here on time. Like 3-4 days, $70, $70 to $80. Goes crazy, man. You guys make sure you can. I'll let y'all know. Actually, I'm gonna put these on. Check them out real quick. Oh my god. Y'all see what's going on? Feel me? I can moonwalk in these hoes. Oh, I could do everything. Just pray I won't fall, y'all. But I ain't really never did no outdoor skating, but oh shit. Alright. Y'all gonna think yeah, I hit the spin around. See what I'm saying? But nah. Y'all go get y'all mug skates. I ain't got it tied all the way, but I was just showing y'all what's going on. I feel way taller than these. I feel like I'm like 7 feet tall. You see what I'm saying? Real deal. Let me put these laces on there. But y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn the post bell notifications. See what I'm saying? Y'all can't do that. Y'all can't do that. I'm saying I just did a little spin. Y'all can't do that. Y'all make sure, hey, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post bell notifications, but Ozsensei, and I'm out of here.